Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus has started teasing the OnePlus Nord, and no, they haven't confirmed the name yet, but on a new Instagram account with a weird name, OnePlus Lite Z thing, that they are using to promote the OnePlus Nord, they have posted some images where we can clearly make out the Nord name. Apart from this, OnePlus has posted some cryptic images as well, basically giving us one of the colors of the phones along with the launch month, which should probably happen in July, and if leaks are to be believed, then the event may be scheduled for the 10th of July. OnePlus is going to release a 4-part documentary series premiering on the 30th of June, so we can expect to get more details about the device from these videos. It's exciting to see how a product is developed from scratch, so let us wait for the documentaries to release. Also, we have some big news coming in from Android Central, according to which the OnePlus Nord will have not one but two selfie cameras. If the report is to be believed, then the phone will have a 32 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. None of the OnePlus phones released before this have got two cameras at the front. This is similar to the Poco X2, which is one of the best phones right now under 20,000 rupees. Also, the punch hole is expected to be on the left hand side of the device, like the Huawei P40 and the P40 Pro, though I expect it to be smaller than the one on the P40, which is way too big for me. Up until now, it was believed that the OnePlus Z will have a center punch hole design, but given the phone would use a Samsung AMOLED panel, and Samsung hasn't shared the center punch hole design with any other brand, so it makes sense for it to be on the left hand side. To be honest though, I would have preferred a center punch hole over this, which gives a cleaner look in my opinion. Also, a single selfie camera would have been nice to see, especially since the cutout would have been smaller. What do you prefer? Are you okay with this design choice, or are you like me? Tell me in the comment section below. Apart from this, we also have some colors that might be available with the phone, including a shade of blue, pink, and maybe a white. I don't know, but these are some nice colors which might attract the youngsters towards whom this phone is targeted. As far as the specs are concerned, we'll have a Snapdragon 765G running the show along with a 6.4 to 6.5 inch Full HD plus 90Hz AMOLED display, at least 6GB of RAM and a 4000 mAh battery along with 30W fast charge support. OnePlus is expected to announce this phone on the 10th of July in India, followed by Europe. We haven't heard anything about the phone being launched in North America as of yet, so it's not confirmed if the phone will be released for that market, which is great for Samsung as they are launching cheap 5G phones including the Galaxy A51 and Galaxy A71 running on the same Snapdragon 765G SoC. That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about this down in the comments. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.